Hello again. Welcome back to the video of the Impact IELTS, and we are doing the series of IELTS academic reading. In this particular video number 4, I am going to take the question type which is known as sentence completion. In another two continuing videos, I'll take choosing the headings and true false not given. So let's start by discussing the whole process or strategy once again. The first thing you will do, as I have already discussed in previous videos, that you will go through the passage in about 20 seconds to understand what is it about. So it is see bilingualism in children, one misguided legacy of over 100 years of writing on bilingualism. The idea that bilinguals may have lower IQ skills. The most recent research from Canada, one noted of caution need to be sounded. The current state of psychological wisdom, research across different continents, the other dimensions. Okay, fine. So finally we came to know that this is about bilingualism in children and different researches report regarding their IQ and other information that has been done on that, right? So what I have to do next is I have to see how many question types are there. So you can see the first question type is sentence completion, then the second question type is matching the headings, and the third question type is true false not given, and in the end answers have been given. Now you know that what we have to do here, that we have to start with the first question type. Now as we can see or we know the first question type, the answers are given in sequence. So what we can do, we can take the first keyword, we'll try to find that keyword, and then we will see what exactly we have to answer on that. So if we read it, for more than dash, books and articles were wrong about the intelligence of bilingual children. Okay, so the keyword seems to be books and articles. So we have to find something related to books and articles. Also we have to see that just the word before the gap means for more than, perhaps that could be your keyword in finalizing the answer. So at first you have to find out the books and articles word somehow, and then you have to find out for more than what these books and articles were wrong about the intelligence of bilingual children. Fine. So let's start reading the passage. What I'm going to look for is books and articles. One misguided legacy of over 100 years of writing on bilingualism. Perhaps I've got books and articles. So writing gives you an idea about that, perhaps books and articles that you're talking about. Now you have to find out for more than dash. For more than dash, I think this one is wrongly given here. For more than dash, no, I have to go back and check what exactly I have to find out. You have to find out for more than dash, they means were wrong about the intelligence of bilingual children. More than dash, so more than can be the keyword for you. They were wrong about. So misguided legacy means wrong. Over means more than 100 years. So 100 years is the answer, you can see. So I'll go back and I'll write down the answer, 100 years. I have to see how many words are allowed. So no more than 3 words. So we can write 100 years as an answer. You can check the answer in the end. I'm not writing here. So next question keyword, for approximately 40 years there was a mistaken belief that children who spoke 2 languages were. So we have to find out the keyword here is 40 years. Underline the keyword. Once you get the keyword, what I have to find out is 40 years there was a mistaken belief that children who spoke 2 languages were what? So, and there should be mistaken belief, right? So let's go back to the passage. So I'll read from here. Some of the earliest research into bilingualism examined whether bilingual children were ahead or behind monolingual children on IQ tests from the 1920s through to the 1960s. So you got the keyword of 40 years. What we have to find out is about mistaken identity about something. The tendency was to find monolingual children ahead of bilingual on IQ test. Okay, the conclusion was that bilingual children were mentally confused. Having two languages in the brain, it was said, disrupted effective thinking. What is wrong in this? Defective. So I have to go back again to see what exactly is the question asking for. Question is saying 40 years there was a mistaken belief that children who spoke two languages were okay. So children who spoke two languages were what? That I have to find out. Tendency was to find monolingual children ahead of that. The conclusion was that bilingual means two language who spoke two languages were mentally confused. Okay, so we got the answer now. So they were mentally confused. This is what he's saying. Fine. Let's move to the next keyword. It was commonly thought that the people with a single dash were more effective thinkers. So effective thinker is your keyword. What you have to find out, if you can recall, it was commonly thought that people with a single dash were more effective thinkers. People with a single dash were more effective thinkers. So people with a single, perhaps single can be also can help you in finding the final answer. Let's see. Having two languages in the brain, it was said, disrupted effective thinking. So you got the keyword now. What you have to find out now? What single? Something single. It was argued that, so it should be that. It was argued that having one in single, having one, that is a single word, having one well-developed language was superior. Okay, so single well-developed language is the answer here. Single well-developed language, and this is one and two words because there is a hyphen in between. To say how many words are allowed, you can see three words, so that's no problem. We can write single well-developed language. Okay, so that's all from this particular video. The next video I'll continue with the same passage, but we are going to deal with this match the heading type of questions, and after that we will see how to talk about true, false, not given type of question. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Bye for now.